This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Clear site cookies and cache, enable JavaScript, and temporarily disable privacy extensions. These often block CAPTCHA tokens. Once done, sign out of your Google account and sign back in so session tokens refresh. If you're on a VPN or proxy, pause it now to test without network routing. Make sure to use a current browser version. Outdated builds can fail modern bot checks and cause repeated failures. You continue by isolating variables and executing deeper fixes. Disable all ad blockers and privacy-focused extensions, then re-enable them one at a time to find the offender. Once done, test the Google check in a different browser or device to determine if it's local. Make sure your system clock is accurate. Large time drift can break token validation. Also check for excessive requests from your IP if rate limiting is triggered. Wait several minutes or switch networks to see normal behavior again. To finish, restore a clean environment and verify success. Restart your browser and device, then attempt the Google verification one more time. Sometimes a reboot clears transient token errors. If problems persist, reset browser settings or create a fresh profile to eliminate hidden config issues. Once done, test over a different IP, use a cellular hotspot or another network to rule out IP reputation or firewall interference. If the check works on another network, focus on router, ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.